Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we've got a couple of glitches to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and we are so close to getting to 40,000 crazy couponers. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about are these new P&G coupons that we received on our accounts this morning. Now, every account received something different. I only have these two coupons right here. It's save $5 on your next purchase when you spend $20 on P&G products. And then I also received a save $8 on your next purchase when you spend $30 on P&G products. So definitely go ahead and clip these to your accounts and let me know which coupon you received down in the comment section below, because I do believe there is a 3 off 15 out there as well, and there may be other values, so you guys let me know down in the comments and I will be sure to put together some deals for it. And of course, go ahead and clip your 525 for Saturday. Next up, we have that P&G coupon, so of course go ahead and clip that one as well. We have a 2 off 1 for the All In Purex products. These are priced at $9.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $7.50. Next up, we've got a 2 off 1 for the Schick disposable razors. Now, be careful on this one because this coupon also works on the ones that are priced at $6.50. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon for those, but this coupon is also working on the cheaper ones that are priced at $5.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.35. However, I haven't used my $4 coupon yet, so I'm going to use that one before I clip this one. Next up, we've got a 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft. These are priced at $5.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. We have a buy one, get one free coupon for the True Living candles. Now, there are different ones that y'all can choose from, 15 ounces or 17 ounces. They are all priced at $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. And be aware that this one does expire tomorrow on Monday. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 on the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 18 packs. So these are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. Now, if you want to pair this up with that 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Pepsi and Lay's products, you can pick up one of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 18 packs and one bag of the chips at $5.25. After both those coupons are applied, you're going to pay $10.75 for 2. Moving on down, we're going to skip over a few of these right here. The Edge and Skintimate Shave Gels, those have went up this week. They're back up to regular price at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We have a 1 off 2 for the Pearl Milling products. So these start out at $3.10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.20 for 2. We have DG Health Allergy Relief, Got to Be Styling products, another 3 off 1 for the Love's Family Box of Diapers, $2.95 off 1 for the Maxwell House Coffee. So these are priced at $10.20. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. But be aware, here in just a few minutes, you're going to see a lower value coupon, and that's going to be a 1 off 1. So definitely clip the higher value and leave that lower one alone. Alright, we have 3 off 1 for the Pepsid and a 1 off 1 for the Vicks products. So these start out at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 20 count Vicks cough drops found in the dollar aisle for $1. So after that coupon's applied, that is going to make it completely free. Alright, moving on down. We have Clairol. We have a 3 off 1 for the Cascade Action Pack tubs. These are pretty pricey. They are $19.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $16.95. We have a 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergent. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.50. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Always Discreet products. So these start out at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 26 count Always Discreet liners. So those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. So great deal. Next up, we got a 1 off 1 for the Tide. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a $4.50 off 1 for the Kingsford Charcoal. Those start out at $12.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $8. Not a bad deal. We have a 2 off 1 for the Huggies. These are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 3 for the Werther's candies. So these are priced at $1 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 3. We have a 150 off 1 for the All and Snuggle products. So there are a couple of the Snuggle products that are priced at $3.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. And then the prices go up from there. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Miracle Grow. These are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a 1 off 1 for the Vicks VapoCool Cough Drops. These start out at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. So pretty good deal there. We've got True Living paper towels. There's that 1 off 1 for the Maxwell House. I'm going to pass on that one. Alright, next up we've got a 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrients. We have a 2 off 1 for the Mucinex. If you want to pick up the 4 count, they're priced at $4.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. But if you can find the 6 count, I believe they've been on clearance for quite a while now. Those are priced at $3.90. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. Next up, we've got a 3 off 1 for the Tide laundry products. These are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Always liners. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Moving on down, we have the 3 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. These are priced at $15.95 as well. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. And this coupon is glitching again, and it is working on the Tide laundry products as well that are priced at $15.95. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Airwick scented oil warmers. These are priced at $2 this week, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Always. We have a 1 off 1 for the Sour Patch Easter Twist. Rayovac, 3 off 1 for the Downy In-Wash Scent Beads. These are priced at $10.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Downy. These start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And we have a 1 off 3 for the Betty Crocker products. If you want to pick up the cookie mix, those are priced at $1.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75 for 3. All right, next up we have Huggies wipes. We have a 5 off 1 for the Colgate products. Those are priced at $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. We talked about the Finish and the Pine Sol last week. We do have a 3 off 1 for the Crest Adult Toothpaste. Go ahead and clip that one. 3 off 2 for the Herbal Essences, 2 off 1 for the Suavitel. These start out at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2, so a really good deal there. We have Claritin, Hellmann's Mayo, Pull-Ups, Clairol Hair Color, 125 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. So these start out at $4.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $3. We have a 3 off 1 for the Imodium products. So if you want to pick up the 0.4 ounce, I'm not sure if this is considered a glitch or not, but they're priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a $5.90 off 2 for the Downy Scent Beads. These are priced at $10.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $16 for 2. Then we have a new Gain coupon. It's a 5 off 30, and it looks like we are going to have this for a couple of weeks. It doesn't expire until April the 22nd. So gosh, almost a month, right? Wow. All right, moving on. We've got a 2 off 1 for the eye drops. Those are priced at $7.50. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Tide Simply. Those are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have Biore, Prilosec, 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer cat litter. Those are priced at $12.85, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.85. Then we have some more DG Health Allergy, True Living trash bags. Those are priced at $7.50 this week. Then we have a 2 off 1 for the Downy products. Those start out at $6.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. And then we have a 2 off 2 for the Breyers and Klondike ice creams. These start out at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. And I do believe that is all of our new Dollar General digital coupons so far. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have more deals to share with you coming up soon. So, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. So, don't forget to do all the things and help your girl out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.